The mattress industry of today is really evolving dynamically over here, bringing out new products. But the opportunity in front of the industry is very well because it's a huge exploding market, and the developments happening in India are really going to favor a consolidation of the market, where we will have less of regional players and the access to all parts of the country, whether you have one plant or multiple plants. Even from a single plant, you will be able to do a lot more. One of the newest thing we are seeing here is that the industry members are talking about sustainability and recycling. And people now are talking not just about cost or low cost mattress, but what we have seen here is also people trying to showcase innovative solutions, whether it is on spring making or roll pack or different types of foam. Even the exhibits over here are focused more on development rather than just the cost. The talk about recycling is really heartening.